Hi friends, this is Bijita. Welcome to my channel once again. Today in this video I'll show you a very important topic, that is the validation. It is a very important topic if you work in a real life, if you work as a SAP consultant, and it is a very common question being asked in any interview. So let me go to the validation screen straight away. Now, as the name suggests, the validation means to validate something and to check something, and accordingly after checking it gives you the message as you customize. So let me go to GGB0 is the transaction to create the validation. Now you have to select your appropriate node. Mine would be financial accounting. Then I would go to the document header. Then there are many validations being created by many person. Now under the document header I would create my validation. So I'll click on the create validation button. Let me give the name of my validation. Let me give T1. I'm putting the name as test validation. Then I'm just saving it. Done. Now under the T1 validation I'll click on the step button. It will insert the step. Now here if you want you can give a description, however it is optional. I'm going to prerequisite. So here I'm going under accounting document header. Here I'll be selecting few prerequisite, means if you have any such prerequisite, if you want to maintain any such prerequisite means if you want to check something like here, let me tell you, I want my document header text mandatory if it is company code ABC and document type SA. Document type SA means journal voucher, normal journal voucher, normal JV. So if I am passing the normal journal voucher like FB50 or F-02 or FB01, then I want the document header text to be mandatory. So what I have to do is, so in that case my document type and company code would be the first checkpoint. So what will I do? I'll under the prerequisite I'll find my document document type and company code. Document type would be, if document type is SA, document type is equal to SA, and company code would be, this is company code, double clicking on this, again equal sign constant ABC, enter. So if document type is SA and company code is ABC, then system will check. What will system check? System will check the document header text. System is checking the document header text. If it is blank, then system will restrict you. So if it is blank, so this sign and then enter means, this means if the document header text is blank, then what will system do? If the document header text is blank, then I am putting the message type E, means error. If the document header text is blank, then system will throw me a error message. E means error, and the message number would be, now let me customize the message. Next free number is this, 24 is free. Clicking on the individual maintenance, then document header text must be filled in. Document header text must be filled in. Given. Now ticking this button, just pressing the save button, message is saved. Clicking on the back button. Here as I have created the new message, that is 24, let me pick it up. It is picked up. Now clicking on the save button, thus it will be saved. So once it gets saved, I have to activate this validation. Save and generation successfully completed. Fine. Now I am going to another transaction in order to activate my newly created validation. So this is the transaction. What transaction I used? OB28. This is OB28 screen. Herein I have to click on the new entry. I am putting my company code here. Then call point, let me go to the F4 help. It was created at the document header level. Then validation, I created the T1 validation, and then I have to make it active. Thus it is activated, saved. Now going to post a essay type document. How to do? FB50 is the transaction wherein I can post a essay type document. Let me give the document date. I am making the document header text blank so that system populates the error. 200 101 200 my printing expenses, 101 is my bank credit, this one would be debit. Amount, let me put an amount. Let me put cost center. Now just pressing enter. Document header text must be filled in. The message has come in. Document header text must be filled in. So that's the point. You cannot save until you remove that message, until you make it blank. If I make it blank, then and again this is coming. While I am pressing enter, again this is coming. If I make this field, if I put anything in the field, this message will never come. That's the concept, that's the point. So I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please put your comments in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all of your query. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.